tell him to be
It
quiet.
would make sense if
Sheikh Chilli के सपने.
interrupt each other.
Please go ahead.
It's not too far off.
विवेक मेरे भैया आप थोड़ा चुप रहिए, दूसरों को बोलने दीजिए. And let this debate also be inclusive.
Yes, please continue. Manasvi is on the debate. Who's debating with Manasvi? Okay.
Thank you.
Sambit
Thank you, Arnab ji.
Sambit
See,
and
this particular, I thank you so much for this particular debate because India, what is भारत को संधि विच्छेद करेंगे, उसका मतलब है light plus knowledge. That is what we gave to the world in the older times. And the world's first university, Takshila, was from India. The world's largest university in the old age, Nalanda, was from India. There are 200
Speak about the present
countries
also.
in the world. There is only one nation against which the ocean is named, Indian Ocean, Bharat Mahasagar. And I'll come to the Indian nationalism now.
तो अच्छे बन गए हैं.
Desh Bhakti is above Vyakti Bhakti and Party Bhakti. Desh Bhakti, nationalism is when we believe that Prime Minister care is, we should be funding Prime Minister care. And accordingly, we should also ask questions on the auditing of PM care. We should believe that the borders are protected and this particular government is going to protect our borders. And asking what is the status of COK and Nepal is also nationalism. Respecting the government is nationalism. Respecting the opposition and dissent is also nationalism. Being Atmanirbhar is nationalism. Saving the PSUs is also nationalism. Talking about Palghar is nationalism. Talking about Bulandshahr is also nationalism. Talking about Jaunpur is nationalism. Talking about Amroha is also nationalism. This is the country where different ideas like Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose together parallelly worked for this nation. We cannot be selective. We have to be inclusive. And we cannot, what is not nationalism, I'll tell you now. Buying MLAs is not nationalism. What is not nationalism?
Yeah. Go on. Now I'll intervene. 1 minute. 1 minute, I'll intervene for a minute. Sambit Patra, wait a minute. Manasvi, come debate with me. Wait a minute. Concerted attempt. Viewers, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Let us follow the idea of Subhash Chandra Bose.
Relax.
Let us follow the idea of Mahatma
I'll
Gandhi.
destroy your argument. When your favorite Sarjeel Imam goes to Gaya and says we have to block Hindustan, it is not nationalism. When he says if we don't... wait, I mentioned Sarjeel, prickly.
Let us work together.
Prickly. When prickly he gets. When Sitaram Yechuri post the general election says the BJP whipped up passions on and on about a communal jingoistic nationalism. What is communal and jingoistic about my nationalism? How dare you speak against my nationalism? When Sitaram Yechuri goes to Kashmir and knocks on Gilani's door with a begging bowl, it's not nationalism. When Romila Thapar distorts history and says some historians are today saying that it may be Yudhishthir who had an image of Ashoka. When he said, I don't want to be king. For God's sake, they were separated by almost 2,000 years.
That's been condemned.
You have an image 2,000 years earlier. Condemn. We shall be silent. We shall suffer. We shall listen. And we shall be obedient. No more. No more to people who not enough. Please. Now I ask you.
Asking others to prove their nationalism is not nationalism.
The real problem, Sambit Patra, the real problem is that a Sarpanch in the Kashmir Valley was killed by the Lashkar-e-Toiba for standing with democracy and affixing Bharti to his name. That's the real problem. That there are still people in this country willing to give up their lives for this country. That is the real problem. That Sarjeel Imam was not successful. That is the real problem. That Omar Khalid's role in spreading and instigating a riot was found out. That is the real problem. That the real problem is about the fact that nationalism is above religion. And there is nothing called religious nationalism. It's nationalism above religion.
In this country. But our country needs to be inclusive. Our country cannot be selective. Our country needs Sambit Patra also and Manasvi Thapar also. That is what India is.
Manasvi, we heard you.
Cannot be
you are a young man.
Selective.
You are a young man, knowledgeous man. You should allow others to speak as well. Thank you, Manasvi. Thank you very much. Manasvi, do you know by any chance as to where did Kashmir derive its name from? Just a second, sir. Just a second. By any chance, do you know where did the name Kashmir come from? Because since I was really impressed by the kind of history you know about Takshashila and Nalanda, and it's rare for the left Lutean media to know all this, but still you knew about it. You must be aware as to where did this name Kashmir come from.
Sir, there is no left Lutean, there is only one India which I believe in. I may have different opinion than yours, but I am not left, I am not right, I am
India. There's no left, there's no Lutean, but please, sir, can you just tell me where did this name Kashmir come from? Can you enlighten me? कहाँ से आया नाम कश्मीर? Since we are all talking about when did India
I may not
exist
have all the knowledge.
from?
You may enlighten me, and I would be happy to know that.
Okay.